The dark secret of how IKEA has generated billions in revenue by creating a powerful psychological trap that encourages customers to overspend on furniture. In this video, we'll explore the strategies IKEA uses to make almost 95% of customers fall for this trap. With around $50 billion in furniture sales, IKEA also surprisingly ranks among the world's 50 largest restaurant chains, contributing additional income. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the fascinating world of IKEA. Chapter 1. How IKEA designs the perfect shopping trap. Have you ever walked into an IKEA store for a simple throw pillow and left with a cart full of furniture, kitchenware, and finished the shopping experience with Swedish meatballs? IKEA has perfected the art of turning casual shoppers into enthusiastic buyers. The store's layout, product placement, and maze-like design create a shopping experience that encourages us to spend more. IKEA understands the power of psychology. The winding path subtly guides our journey. We're led through staged rooms, sparking inspiration to recreate the look at home. This showrooming effect transforms products into tangible aspirations. And then there are the prices. IKEA uses the anchoring effect, placing cheap items to create a perception of affordability. These loss leaders make other prices seem reasonable. A $5 spatula? That's a steal. Combined with the variety of products, it's almost impossible to leave IKEA empty-handed. IKEA's strategy creates an immersive experience appealing to our senses and emotions. The aroma of cinnamon buns, whimsical product names, and flat-pack assembly add to the unique retail experience. IKEA sells an affordable version of the Scandinavian good life, and we, the consumers, are more than happy to buy into it. Chapter 2. The birth of a furniture empire. The story of IKEA is a classic tale of entrepreneurial spirit and innovation. It began in 1943 in Agunnaryd, Sweden, where 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad started a mail-order business.
I named my enterprise IKEA, an acronym of my initials and the farm and village where I grew up.
Kamprad's ambitions soon grew. In 1947 he introduced furniture to IKEA's catalog, sourcing from local manufacturers. This marked a turning point, setting the stage for future dominance. However, IKEA's early success faced challenges. Traditional retailers pressured suppliers to boycott IKEA. Kamprad embraced this adversity as an opportunity for innovation.
I decided to bypass the established industry, looking beyond Sweden for partners.
This led IKEA to Poland, discovering skilled craftsmen and cost-effective production. This decision broke the boycott and laid the groundwork for global expansion. IKEA's pursuit of efficiency led to its iconic innovation flat-pack furniture. Chapter 3. Flat packs, showrooms, and global domination. The introduction of flat-pack furniture revolutionized the industry, transforming IKEA into a global powerhouse. By shipping products in flat boxes, IKEA drastically reduced transportation and storage costs, allowing them to pass these savings on to customers.
This innovation not only cut costs, but also empowered customers to become part of the process, assembling their furniture at home. It was a game changer.
IKEA's showrooms, with their carefully curated displays, further solidified the brand's appeal. Customers could see, touch, and experience the products in a real-life context, making it easier to imagine them in their own homes.
The combination of affordable, stylish furniture and an engaging shopping experience created a loyal customer base that spans the globe.
Today, IKEA operates in dozens of countries, with hundreds of stores worldwide. Its influence extends beyond retail, shaping modern design and consumer expectations. The journey from a small mail-order business to a furniture empire is a testament to the power of innovation, adaptability, and a deep understanding of consumer psychology.
IKEA's story is far from over. As the company continues to evolve, it remains a fascinating example of how a simple idea can grow into a global phenomenon.
And so the flat-pack revolution marches on, one Allen wrench at a time.
Chapter 4. Controversies and Ethical Dilemmas. IKEA has faced its share of controversies over the years. From labor practices to environmental concerns, the company has had to navigate some tricky waters.
Indeed, IKEA's journey has not been without its ethical dilemmas. While the company has made strides in sustainability, there have been moments that called its practices into question.
One of the most notable controversies was the use of forced labor in the 1980s. This revelation shocked many, and IKEA had to take significant steps to address and rectify the situation.
Despite these challenges, IKEA has continued to evolve, striving to balance profitability with social responsibility.
Chapter 5. Ingvar Kamprad and IKEA's Global Impact. When I started IKEA, I never imagined it would become such a global phenomenon. It's humbling to see how our vision has resonated with people around the world.
Ingvar Kamprad's dream of creating affordable, well-designed furniture has had a profound impact on the global market. From Europe to Asia, IKEA's presence is felt in over 50 countries.
Our goal was always to create a better everyday life for the many people. It's gratifying to see that our efforts have made a difference in so many lives.
Kamprad's legacy is not just about furniture. It's about innovation, accessibility, and a relentless drive to improve.
Chapter 6. Entrepreneurial Wisdom from the IKEA Story. The IKEA story offers numerous lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs. The IKEA story offers numerous lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs. One key takeaway is the importance of staying true to your vision, no matter the obstacles.
Ingvar Kamprad's journey teaches us the value of perseverance and innovation. His ability to adapt and evolve has been crucial to IKEA's success.
Another vital lesson is the significance of understanding your customers. IKEA's success is largely due to its deep insights into what people need and want in their homes.
The IKEA story is a testament to the power of a clear vision, customer-centric thinking, and the courage to take risks.
Chapter 7. IKEA's Future in a Changing World. As we look to the future, IKEA faces new challenges and opportunities. The world is changing rapidly, and businesses must adapt to stay relevant.
With advancements in technology and shifts in consumer behavior, IKEA is poised to continue its legacy of innovation.
Sustainability will be a major focus. IKEA is committed to reducing its environmental footprint and promoting a circular economy.
The future of IKEA will be shaped by its ability to embrace change, stay true to its core values, and continue to inspire and serve its global community. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting business stories.